This is Ken from Tech Opened, and I'm here to show you the HP X4500 Wireless mouse, which is actually a laser sensor mouse, which is supposed to improve responsiveness on various surfaces. So if you're having trouble with optical mouses that can't, read well on certain surfaces, this will probably help you out a little bit better. It's actually a budget mouse. It's not like a top of the line mouse, but since I was, I wanted a better mouse than this one I actually was using. This is like a Logitech compact mouse that I use with my laptop. This connector has the HP Link 5 technology, which allows you to connect this mouse plus 4 other compatible HP Link 5 devices. So if you have a little connector on, you can use that technology. If you don't, you'll just be limited. That port will be only you won't be using that. You won't have the capability to link up the other devices like I believe keyboards or whatnot. This is a 1600 DPI mouse as well. It takes 2 AA batteries, which are supposed to last, by HP around 30 months, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, 30 months. I don't think that's going to be the reality. There's no way it's going to last 30 months. I don't believe that. But if you actually have one of these, and you've tested it for that long, and if you confirm that it actually lasts that long, please leave your comment. If you're looking to find this mouse for yourself, you can get it on Amazon. There's numerous places where you can buy this for a great price. I think so far the cheapest one I've found was actually on Amazon, and for around like $24 or something like that. So I'm gonna try and put the link in the description so you can follow through to the Amazon webpage for this particular item if you're looking to buy it. And yeah, let's do the unboxing, see what's inside. So it comes with these 2 little seals on the side. I'm just gonna open this really quickly. So we can open this like so. Let's see what's inside. So it comes with this little manual. Quick setup manual. I believe this is plug and play, so there's not like any real complex installation. There's no software set up to this. Pretty basic. So you can see it has an on-off switch right there. This little tab you have to pull in order to activate the battery. It's that protection that they send with, so the battery isn't activated. Connected. Yeah, nothing special about this. I believe this lid is, you lift this to access the battery, I guess. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, this is where you can store your little connector so you don't lose it. And there's actually a little warning light here. Probably, I guess it shows you the battery level. Maybe, let me just open this really quick. Open this. Do this flossy style. Here it is. That's out, finally. Okay, here's a little connector. Very, very easy to lose. Okay, here's a little connector. Very, very easy to lose. And here's the mouse, guys. Looks nice. The X4500 is more of a glossy finish here, so very like fingerprint magnety. And this one, at least this one doesn't, it's more of a matte finish here on the top, if you can see that. And this is rubber right here on the side. No, it's not rubber, it's like kind of a soft plastic, matte plastic. And here on the bottom you have the little sliders, which are actually plastic as well, a soft plastic right here and here. Right here's the on-off switch. This is the connect switch right here, and here's the laser sensor right there. Okay, it doesn't, I have like kind of a big hand. It doesn't completely fill my hand. I feel kind of like the tips of my finger are actually sticking out, so you have to kind of claw it a slight bit. Not as much as this one, of course. I mean, this little small one, you have to claw it completely. My hand is like totally in the air right here to actually be able to, you know. And this one, I'm actually able to rest my hand and my thumb here. It feels comfortable. You know, I wouldn't mind if it was a little bit bigger, but if you have a small hand, this will be like the perfect size. You know, so you can see, and the buttons, I don't know if you can hear that, they're pretty clicky, they feel good. The scroll, it's not that infinite kind of scrolling where you flick the wheel and it keeps going. You have to actually scroll it up and down. So there are some mouses that you kind of scroll it and it keeps on going. You can go down web pages really quickly with it. It does have the click option. You can click it. So, you know, it's a basic mouse, 3-button mouse, nothing special. And I'm gonna pull. There's this little tab to pull. Yeah, let's get this lid open so this comes off. As you can see, here are the batteries. Yeah, they're here. Okay, so you pull this tab out, now it's activated. You also have the, where did I put the little sensor? Here it is, little connector. This is where you actually store your connector so you don't lose it. See? So that way there's no risk of losing it. Just close this up and you can switch it on here. So I want to try with the connector. It's in. It's been recognized. It's working already. So I didn't have to do anything. I just plugged it and now it's working. As you can see, it's working. I'm going to cancel this for now. But I'm going to try and connect it via Bluetooth. Yep. It's now connected. Now, first impression, it feels a little bit different than my older mouse. The other mouse I had, the compact Logitech one, but you know, I think it has to do with getting used to it. And I'm sure we can actually change the resolution, the DPI on this. It's working okay. Right click. It's clicky. It's nice. Let's try and open a web page here really quickly. Okay, so let's go to HP. Scrolling is okay. No, it's normal. It's nothing special. I'm not gonna say it's like wonderful or anything. It's just a normal mouse. Feels okay. Let's just close this right quickly. So that's okay. Just have to get used to it a bit. I'd say it's pretty fine. So let me see if there's any. Yeah. So that's basically it, guys. I mean, there's nothing more to say at first glance about this mouse. Let me just get this guy out of the way. It feels okay. I'm gonna try this on glass. Let's see on glass how it works. This is actually black glass. It's not working. Okay, as you can see, I'm moving the mouse and it's just not working. It's not moving. If you can see it's not working. Okay, so if I test it on this, let's say I test it here on this piece of paper that came, this manual, quick manual. It's working okay. Yeah, it's detecting it. I think it just won't work on glass. Yeah. Glass doesn't work. So there it is, guys. The little blue light only turns on when it's connecting, then it switches off. And yeah, that's it. What else can I say? Don't forget to store your little dongle so you don't lose it. Store it here inside the mouse when you're traveling or when you're taking the mouse with you outside of the house. Just don't forget to put it here so you don't lose it. That'll be a kind of a problem. So, okay, this is it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions, questions, or anything else you'd like to say about this mouse that maybe you know, I don't know, I'd be really appreciative that you'd send your comments. And yeah, if you like the video, subscribe. I'll have some more stuff soon up front. And thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it.